Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Tuesday 18th August 2020 and as you know that yesterday we started our revision and reinforcement because we are going to conduct our first term examination in the month of September. Inshallah, in the first week of September we will conduct our term examination and definitely these are going to be our online examination. Alright, yesterday we revised past participles and we practiced that on worksheet, and you were given this one worksheet to practice as होमवर्क. आपने इसको लर्न करना था और आपने इसको प्रैक्टिस करना था. आई एम श्योर आप सब ने इस वर्कशीट को प्रैक्टिस किया होगा. ऑलराइट, सो हमारे पास फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड 3 फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब थे, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड पार्टिसिपल्स, और आपने इसको कंप्लीट करना था. ऑलराइट, नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज nouns and use of yet and already in the sentences. So what is a noun? Noun is basically a naming word. This one is the flashcard showing noun, verb and adjectives. So noun is a naming word. Noun is a name of a person, place, thing or animal, right? And you see, as you see here, a noun is a person, animal, place or thing. You see, it can be name of a person, it can be a name, it can be a name of a place, it can be some name of things or animals. So किसी भी चीज़ का name is a noun. Alright, and we learned this on our textbook page number 7. We practice noun here, right? Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Alright, so now we are going to practice noun in the worksheet. Alright, this one is the worksheet. आप ये worksheet अपनी notebooks पे, rough registers पे और loose sheet पे write down कर सकते हैं और इसको practice कर सकते हैं. Alright, so let's begin. Underline nouns in the following. Once upon a time there was an old man. His name was Ramiz. One day he took his dog and went away. He went to the forest. Suddenly out of the bushes came a fierce tiger. Fierce means very horrible, very terrible. So let's mark noun in these sentences. As you know that noun is a naming word, right? So man is the noun. Yes. In B, Ramiz is the noun. Dog, yes. Forest, because forest is the name of a place. Then bushes, right? Tiger, there is another noun in this sentence. So that's how we have underlined, or you can highlight nouns in the sentences. Alright, यहाँ पे हमने nouns को practice किया. As I told you yesterday कि आपके एग्ज़ाम का जो पैटर्न है for all the subjects वो ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप है, राइट? सो आपने सब क्वेश्चंस को केयरफुली लर्न करना है और इनको प्रैक्टिस करना है. Alright children, now we are going to practice use of yet and already. For this one I would like you to take out your workbooks. Alright children, this is the workbook page number 5. Alright, हमने ये 20th April को ये वर्किंग की थी using yet and already in the sentences. So yet you can say that it means that still or up to now, right? Up to now कि वो चीज़ जो अभी तक नहीं हुई, for that हम use करते हैं yet, right? And already means something कि कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जो expected थी अपने टाइम से और वो हो चुकी है. So let's see how can we fill up the sentences. Use yet or already in the blanks below. They have already had their lunch. Let me show you closely. We do not know if he has arrived yet, and yet is placed mostly at the end of the sentence. Haven't you taken the dog for a walk yet? This is an interrogative statement. The children have already put away their books and pencils. Alright, यहाँ पे हमने sentences में भी इसको use किया था. This is workbook page number 5. Alright, अब आपने इसको worksheet में practice करना है. How can we do that? Let's take a look at the worksheet. Use yet or already in the blanks below. They have dash their lunch. He has not finished his homework. We do not know if he has arrived. The children have dash put away their books and pencils. You have not met my father. Alright, so these are the sentences A, B, C, D, E. Now we are going to put yet or already, right? Approximately हम इसको कोशिश यही करेंगे कि हम इसको correctly fill करें, right? Yet as I told you, उस चीज़ के लिए यूज़ होता है up to now जो नहीं हुई, right? And already जो expected time और situation से पहले हो जाती है. So they have dashed their lunch. They have already had their lunch. He has not finished his work yet. We don't know if he has arrived yet. Because up to now, वो अभी तक नहीं पहुंचा. So, yet. The children have dash put away their books and pencils. Children have already. कि children already अपनी books and pencils को रख चुके हैं. You have not met my father yet. Yet means up to now. That you have not my father. You have not still not met my father. कि आप अभी तक मेरे father से नहीं मिले. Alright, children. So that's how we will practice. So that's how we have practiced using already and yet in the sentences below. Alright. So this is how you will write down this one worksheet on the loose sheets और registers हैं अगर आपके पास rough registers तो आप उसमें इसको write down करेंगे और इसको practice करेंगे. Alright, now it's time to look at the diaries. Today's diary is revise and learn use of yet and already, right? And practice that on the worksheet. For this one you will see the workbook page number 5. Alright, so that's how you will complete your worksheet practice. You will practice on the worksheet and you have to learn the given worksheet by the use of yet and already. Alright, thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Look after yourself.